Well, hello there. Welcome back in. This is another episode of the series Turn Up or Burn Up, and I am deciding to make this a permanent podcast. After working 40 hours and you working 8 days, you working 8 hours, and you're in front of the crowd or the public, and they're training your mental energy and cognition. You don't always feel like coming home to put out all the lights and the camera. So I can be just as entertaining without the camera and the lights. So for this series, it's going to be basically a podcast type of style. And so today, folks, we're going to be doing Puzzle Box by Rezz and the Subtronics, featuring the Subtronics. Yes, just yes. Okay. Hold on, gotta get the right photo up for you. Of the Puzzle Box, folks. And by the way, that is a badass photo. Once again, my name is Peyton 3.0, the EDM and drum step vocalist Zombie Supreme. Okay. Song in the background is called When I'm Alone Is the Best Time. Written and vocally done by me, but the track is produced by somebody named Did Nasty. Not really sure if we're still doing music. We have lost touch. We have gone our separate ways. We have our disagreements. And we are no longer working together, but that's alright. That's okay. We are no longer working together, but that's alright. That's okay. Okay? So without further ado, let's get to the music. And yes, I forgot to say, I do grade my music on 3 criteria, which is with the production of the track, the vocalist, if there's a vocalist on it, what they're giving to it, how they're complimenting it or not on the track, in the lyrics, if there is any lyrics. Okay, those are my 3 grading criteria. So here we go. Okay, I'm liking the way this is starting out. This may just be a turn up. I feel like they're leading us down a dark and ominous hallway. You can't see where you're going. Your heart is pounding. They could be leading you off a cliff somewhere. That's what it's giving me right now. So anyway, let's continue. Oh snap! Hold on. Hold on. I wasn't expecting that. I mean, I knew something was coming, but I didn't know it was going to be like that. Hold the phone. I got to call the police. Hold on. I got to call the police now. Hold on. sound the alarm. I'm afraid Rezz and Subtronics are under arrest because they are killing me with the drop. They are murdering me tonight, and I may just need a medic. Spin that shit. Honey, did they have you hooked? Did they just have you hooked when they dropped that shit like nobody expected to come out? Drop a comment below about that drop you heard. You heard. That drop is everything, bitch. Snatched my whole wig right off my damn head, honey, and refused to give it back, so I had to call the police on these hoes, okay? Let's continue. Woo! Come on, B. You know, I can see us all at the party. You know, it's the middle of the night, middle of the party. Here comes Rezz. Here comes Subtronics to spin this new track they got called Puzzle Box. And they dropped that beat. They dropped that drop, honey, you know. And it takes you by surprise. And you got your drink in your hand. You got your neon lights on. Maybe some candy on. If you're the candy kid. Shout out to the candy kids. Okay? And you are just grooving to the track while you shaking the drink in your hand. Just shaking your body to the groove. All right. I'm painting the picture for you out there. Come on. I'm painting the picture for us now. You got to see the vision. Okay, now I feel like we're in one of those doll haunted houses. Like, anybody out there ever seen the movie Chucky? Or movies that try to imitate or emulate, including the Chucky series itself? The Chucky, you know. If you never seen Chucky, you need to go check it out. It's as scary as kind of Halloween, this movie with this doll that comes alive. You know, and he starts murdering, okay? Murdering people. Haunted kind of movie. You know, scary movies. I'm not really into scary movies, honest with you. I'm not into the scary movies, y'all. I'm sorry. They don't do anything for me. I don't like to be. They don't scare me at this point. They don't give me anything. Hollywood needs to come up with something different when it comes to these scary movies. They keep repeating the same shit over and over again. And I just do not care to spend my hard-earned money to go to the movies or even on Netflix or anything like that, or Hulu, whatever service, streaming service you may have to watch. Even though for most of us, the stream on streaming, it's like $10 or $13 a month, but it's still not worth my precious time because guess what? Time is an asset, and especially for us who are out there, we gotta work 9 to 5, 40 hours a week, and we gotta come home and try to make the business that we don't get paid for because we're in the research and development stage of business. We gotta work for free, bitch. Okay, so we ain't got time to be wasting. Time's an asset, whether you lazing around or not, honey. What you gonna do with your time? What you gonna do with your time? Time is an asset, and I don't personally for me, I don't have time to waste on the bullshit. Sorry, that's just my opinion. Are you into scary movies? Let me know in the comment section. Let's go. Well, I get. Ooh, hold on. We ain't asked for that. Anyway, well, I guess that's where it ends. That's it. That's it. Well, I have a few critiques of it, but let me tell you something about them drops. It murdered me. Okay, that drop murdered me. Gave me my life and took it away again, snatched it back one more time, resuscitated me, brought the ambulance out at the concert, tried to hydrate me, and then bitch I just passed out, they couldn't save me. That's what the drops gave me. Okay? That's what the drops gave me. And so we're gonna really dissect it and evaluate it all the way through. So, I like the formula is kind of the same basic formula that most EDM songs at the party, that you go to have. They have this real chill kind of sound. Sometimes it's interesting. Sometimes it's just not. It's plain boring, and it's just sitting there with no life. While the drop is the main focus. And honestly, I don't quite care for songs as much like that. Like I don't like waiting for songs to get to like the meat and potatoes because like the part that's with a verse on it, since there's no singer or whatever, the verse basically is the part where there's like barely any creativity going on in the track until it gets to the drop. Not always a fan of those, but and then it turns me back down again. I'm like, oh, okay. It's a roller coaster ride, I know, but some people do it better than others. Okay, I'm just going to say that. You may disagree, I don't know, but that's my opinion. Um, but yes, the best thing about this song, like I did like the dark, ominous, dark hallway leading down, spookiness of it. I did like that, even though I'm not really into haunted houses and scary things. Not my cup of tea. Even though I know in our genre we have a lot of for those who are truly into dubstep and all that, we have the monsters and the goblin ghouls and all that and the skeletons and all that stuff and whatever. Like, that's well we make it cool. We make it cool over here in the dubstep, drum step type of community environment in EDM. But for Hollywood and all of that other stuff, they just need to stop playing with me, playing with us, okay? Cause I ain't buying it, okay? I ain't buying it. Matter of fact, I need to set an alarm off on Hollywood for a minute, please. That's why I left that bitch in the first place. I was done. I was conscious. I was awakened, honey, and I was through. Okay. Hold on. Call the police on them hoes. Okay. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hollywood, you are under arrest for your unoriginality and your repeat of the same bullshit over and over. But anyway, this is not really about Hollywood. This is about Rezz and Subtronic. Okay? And so, overall, would I give it a turn up or a burn up? Okay? Would I give it a turn up or a burn up? Okay? I'm going to give it just because that drop was so damn life sucking. Sucked the life right out you, bitch. Murdered you. I'm gonna give it a turn up just because of that. It's a turn up for me. What do you think? Okay, let me know in the comment section. Maybe you thought Rezz has done better in the past and she's just kind of commercializing it, or whatever, or he, or whatever him or her pronouns may be. Let's just whatever. Okay. And Subtronics, of course, is in this too. So, anyway, I give it a turn up for the production. Well, at least for the drop. I can appreciate also the spookiness of the kind of build up, you know. But the drop is what really sells the song for me. So, you know, it gets a high grade on that part. Well, folks, my name is Peyton 3.0. The EDM and drum staff vocalist on me supreme. I hope you enjoyed the show today. Please tune in for more shows. Tune into my EDM news show. It's not really like news, you know, it's entertainment. Called Peyton 3.0's EDM World News. For those of you who are not subscribed or you're new, you know, and also I do covers of like mainstream hits, including EDM, R&B, and all that. If you're into that type of thing, I do that, you know. Vocalize on that. But anyway, let's get to the social medias for you. For those of you who do not know who I am, right? All these wonderful social needs, okay, that you should dive into, right? Get 3 free unreleased songs by going to the bit.ly link, okay? And make sure you go visit my website. I work hard on her, honey. It's nice, simple, and get straight to the point, okay? Get on my email list, folks, okay? For those of you who are true EDM heads. Yes? Alright, anyway, this has been Peyton 3.0, and this has been another episode of Turn Up or Burn Up. Yes, take it away. Well, I don't want that song. I want the puzzle box.